Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best beard neckline shaper is probably one of the most important tools for achieving a well-groomed and defined beard, and in this video, we will explore what makes a great beard neckline shaper, the different types available, and how to use them to get that perfect neckline that complements your facial features and overall style. We will also look at some of the top-rated products on the market and provide you with a comprehensive buying guide to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Beard Black Beard Shaper. Get ready to experience the ultimate in beard styling. This innovative tool makes shaping and defining your beard effortless and precise. Achieve perfectly crisp lines and edges with ease. It's designed to give you total control over your beard's shape. The integrated comb ensures accurate guiding and precise shaping every single time. It helps you create the perfect look. Use it with your favorite beard trimmer or razor for the ultimate in versatility and precision. It works seamlessly with your existing tools. Take your beard styling to the next level. It's the secret weapon for achieving that sharp, well-groomed look you've always wanted. Transform your beard from messy to magnificent. This tool empowers you to create professional-looking results at home. What we like. This tool has a built-in comb for easy shaping and is perfect for creating clean lines and edges. If you want a precise and defined beard line, and don't mind holding the tool yourself, this is a great option for achieving professional-looking results at home. It's ideal for those who want a versatile tool that combines shaping and trimming. What people say. It lined up my beard great. Keep in mind I used a safety razor to help line it up to get the best line-up shave possible. I'm sure a straight razor is cool too, but a regular razor may not give you the crisp line you need, but trust me, YouTube taught me how to use a safety razor and I'll never go back to the regular crap ones now. I like a rounded beard line and it worked great. You could do a straight line lineup if that's your style too. Super easy to use, very durable and consistent results. I use for my cheeks and the area where my beard goes to my ears. Now I can look good in between trips to the barber. The shaping tool is just as expected, haven't used it yet, but I already feel it will be very convenient in saving time and a symmetrical cut without the constant checking in the mirror. Number 4. Aberlite FlexShaper 2.0 Beard Shaper Kit. Give the gift of a perfect beard. It's easy to create a neat beard line at home, saving trips to the barbershop. A thoughtful present for any dad. This improved beard shaper is thinner and more flexible for precise placement. It offers more angles and edges for a perfect line every time. With this shaper, you can create many different beard and hair styles. The long edges make it easy to use and hold, no matter your face shape. Online instructional videos are available for extra help. The 100% clear design makes trimming easy. You can see exactly where you're placing it for perfect results every time. Use the included barber pencils to outline your beard before trimming, or apply a razor directly to the shaper. It's made of durable, shock-resistant plastic. The anti-slip rubber keeps it steady while you're shaping your beard. No more sliding around. What we like. Its transparency allows for precise placement, and it offers various styling options. If you need a highly visible guide for various beard styles and want a tool that stays put, this shaper provides the accuracy and control you need for creating the perfect look. It's perfect for those who like to experiment with different beard styles. What people say. The Aberlite FlexShaper 2.0 is hands down one of the best beard grooming tools I've ever used. If you want a clean, professional-looking beard line without constantly visiting the barber, this kit is a must-have. The clear design of the shaping tool is a brilliant feature. It allows me to see exactly where I'm trimming, making it easy to create sharp, symmetrical lines. What sets this kit apart is the build quality of the shaper. It's sturdy yet lightweight, and the edges are perfectly designed for shaping various beard styles, whether it's a cheek line, neckline, or goatee. The tool feels premium, and I appreciate the attention to detail in its ergonomic design. The included barber pencils are a game changer. They help outline the perfect shape before trimming, ensuring no mistakes and making my grooming routine much faster. Number 3. Beard Shaper Styling Tool. It helps you achieve the perfect beard shape effortlessly. Get salon quality results at home, saving you time and money. This tool makes shaping your beard simple and precise. Say goodbye to uneven lines and hello to a perfectly sculpted look. It's an ideal present for any occasion. Show the special men in your life how much you care with this thoughtful gift. Use it with your trimmer or razor for effortless beard and facial hair styling. Achieve the look you've always wanted. Made from high-quality, durable materials, it's built to last. Enjoy years of precise beard shaping. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for home or travel. It works on all beard types. What we like. This shaper comes with a dual-action comb and barber pencil for outlining and trimming. If you value durability and want a reliable tool that will last, this option is built to withstand regular use. It's perfect for those who want a complete kit with all the necessary tools for precise beard shaping. What people say. The Beard Shaper and Beard Shaping Tool for Men is an easy-to-use tool that helps you get a neat and even beard at home. It fits many beard styles and works with different razors and trimmers. You can easily make perfect lines with it. The angles of the shaping tool were perfect. I was able to achieve great results with this set. It works well. It has two sides, choose the way you like. Number 2. Aberlite FlexShaper 2.0. Give the gift of a perfectly sculpted beard. This tool helps avoid common neckline mistakes, creating a natural and stylish look. It's the perfect present for Father's Day or any occasion. It's made of sturdy, flexible plastic to comfortably fit any neck size. Easily adjust it to achieve various beard neckline styles for a perfect look. This beard shaper attaches to an adjustable headband, so you can trim your beard hands-free. It's easy to use and highly recommended for a clean look. The elastic headband adjusts to fit any head and neck size, holding the shaper comfortably and firmly in place. One size fits all. Simply thread the headband through the shaper, position it on your neck, and adjust for the desired height. Then, use your trimmer to create a perfect neckline. What we like. Its hands-free design and flexible material make it easy to use. If you're looking for a convenient and comfortable way to shape your beard neckline without using your hands, this is the perfect solution. It's ideal for those who want a hassle-free and efficient way to achieve a clean neckline. What people say. I have cut my shaving time down by probably 75% because I really struggled trying to see what I was doing. The straps on your head will not budge, the straps don't pull loose or fall out or anything at all ever, doesn't hurt in any way, doesn't cut into the skin where it presses against your skin. I can do my beard now in like 10 minutes. The FlexShaper 2.0 works great and so easy to use. I have always had trouble lining up my neckline and it took me forever to get it right and still it didn't look even. Now I don't have to worry about my neckline looking uneven and spend a lot of time lining my neck. With the FlexShaper 2.0 my neck was lined up and perfect less than 5 minutes. The first time I tried it I was so happy with how it worked. Now it takes me like 10 minutes to trim my beard and get perfect lines on my cheek and neck. Number 1. Quality Time Beard Shaper. This innovative tool lets you easily shape your beard neckline at home. It's adjustable, comfortable, and designed for a perfect trim every time. The flexible design conforms to your neck, and the hands-free operation lets you focus on achieving the perfect shape. No more awkward contortions in a mirror. It's easily adjustable to fit your unique neckline. You can customize your look to achieve the exact style you desire. The soft, comfortable silicone headband keeps it securely in place while you trim. It's designed for a comfortable and precise shaping experience. It comes with an illustrated guide to walk you through the process, making it simple to use, even for beginners. Get a professional-looking neckline with ease. This high-quality tool is made in the USA from durable, flexible plastic. It's built to last and provide years of reliable use. Looking for a thoughtful gift for the man in your life? This is a practical and unique present he'll truly appreciate. It's one size fits all and easy to use. While it's designed to fit most, it may not be suitable for those with extra-large heads. Please check the sizing information before purchasing. What we like. This shaper is adjustable, flexible, and comfortable to wear. If you need a customizable tool that conforms to your neck shape for a comfortable and precise trim, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a secure and comfortable fit while shaping their neckline. What people say. It's rubber but doesn't pull on beard hair. This will move, but it's firm enough to hold with one hand while quickly zipping across the line with your shaver in the other hand. I just put this on, use an electric razor to trim and make a line, then go over it afterwards with a razor and done. What would take me 10 to 20 minutes is now just a fraction of that, mainly because I don't have to worry about both sides being even and then ending up cutting too much. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.